Today on Eldest Touch, I'll be showing you guys how to remove the memory card and the SIM card from the Samsung A21. So first, you're going to need a SIM tool. If you don't have one of these on hand, you can actually use the back of an A-ring or a paper clip in some cases to take the plate out. Next, you're going to look at the phone and you're going to find a little hole that's on the body. In this case, it's on the top left part. And you'll see a cutout and then the little hole right there. So now what you'll be doing is you're going to be taking that SIM tool and you're going to push into that hole. I'll show you guys right here. Now when you push it in, the plate will pop out. That plate is where you're going to place the SIM card and the SD card. So right there on the left you have the SIM, and then on the right you have the SD card. You'll just place each card in the designated areas and they're cut out to size, so you'll know exactly how it fits. And once the cards are placed on, you want to slide this plate back into the phone and the phone will automatically recognize both. In some cases it may ask you to restart the phone, but that's it. There you have it, and now your SIM card and your SD cards inside of the A21. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.